to do our first grocery today, inshallah.
To fill our fridge. Because our fridge is
Yeah, we already got our refrigerator, right? The first thing is that you should have a refrigerator so that you can put the groceries in it.
Yeah.
And now we are headed to our nearest grocery store.
हाँ से हमारा fridge है ना वो है मुझे खाना दे दो
Take the next left.
क्या? अभी हम हाशिम को भी दिखाएंगे, ठीक है? चलो चलते हैं अभी हमारे घर से ये I think almost like a 10 minutes ride to the nearest schools and let's go. एक ही दिन में चार मौसम आते हैं यहाँ. When we woke up it was so damn windy, then it started raining and now it's all sunny.
अच्छा मैं आपको पता है किरण खाला के मम्मा जो है ना वो पार्क में रहती है मतलब उनके घर के पीछे पार्क है मतलब उनके घर के अंदर ही पार्क है.
Yeah, she has a garden.
गार्डन है उनके पास और गार्डन में पार्क बना हुआ है पूरा स्विंग है लेकिन स्लाइड नहीं है.
Yeah, they have a lawn और उस lawn में ही there are swings and there's a monkey bar as well. Yeah.
लेकिन हम क्लाइंबिंग नहीं कर सकते ऊपर जंप करना होता है जंपिंग.
Yes.
मैं नहीं कर सकती आप भी नहीं कर सकते.
Okay. Just 2 minutes away. I see it. I see the coal sign. किधर लगाएं? Parking? हाँ ये ठीक है. You can just park here.
मेरा टोस्ट खत्म होने वाला है.
आगे हमारे ग्रोसरी स्टोर्स का नेम है गोल्स, ठीक है?
गोल
गोल्स नहीं, गोल्स.
ओ गोल मतलब गोल.
Okay, Amal ने कल स्कूल जाना है and she needs her school shoes. So first we have to go to Kmart. Where do we have to go? Kmart. Yes.
3 minute walk साथ है.
3 minutes walk है तो फिर बस चलते हैं.
कोल्स के साथ ही है.
बस चलो.
होगा एक्सप्लोर करते हैं.
Here, this is Kmart and that is Kohl's. First we will go to Kmart. Right, Amal?
मामा को दो.
Hey, finish your toast.
शॉप में होके
कोई बात नहीं, खाती रहो. It's okay. मना नहीं है. यहाँ पे खाना मना नहीं है. फिनिश करो. ये रहा फ्रेश मीट. फ्लावर्स. हम आ गए हैं Kmart. काफ़ी कपड़े वगैरह और like bins, trolleys, these kind of things you can find here. जो भी आपको न्यू घर में चाहिए होती है सेटअप करते हुए Kmart से आपको मिलेंगी. फिलहाल अभी we are going to get Amal's school shoes. So let's go play in the shoes section.
Can I try this please?
No, he can't try the piggy shoes.
I like these, Amal. This matches with your shirt.
No,
color.
no, it doesn't match with the
exact
shirt
same
color. Not at all, Tayyam, not at all. It's not like this color at all. It's like a dull navy color. Everything is more like a dull navy. No, baby, she's already wearing like pink shoes. Why would I get pink shoes? With the ये वाले ठीक लग रहे हैं, blue वाले. स्कूल जाना है भाई, स्कूल वाले रेनबो यूनिकॉर्न वाले शूज नहीं चाहिए हमें. डल शूज चाहिए जैसे पाकिस्तान में होते हैं. पता नहीं वैसे यहाँ पे बच्चों ने, but I think they were wearing like dull kind of shoes. Not sure. There nobody was wearing rainbows. बहुत देर डिसाइड करने के बाद I think these shoes will match with Amal's school uniform. Let's see. Let's try them on, Amal.
थोड़ा सा एक साइड बड़ा ले लो.
Right है.
क्यों? टाइट लग रहा है? वाह अम्मा जी ग्रोइंग अप हो गई है.
घर में तो प्लास्टिक चेयर नहीं है.
क्या कह रही है?
घर में तो चेयर
फिर से बताना अम्मा क्या कह रही थी आप?
मनी वेस्ट नहीं करना, क्या करें?
नहीं पता.
मनी वेस्ट मत करो, फूड के लिए यूज करो, फूड के लिए. Oh my god. Has she sensed it that we don't have enough money? Why is she saying that?
Start your job.
You are so smart, Amal.
ये तो ठीक नहीं है बाबा.
Okay.
मुझे ट्राई करने दो.
Nice. That's a nice bar stool. Huh? How is it?
सस्ता तो ऐसा ही.
सस्ता तो ऐसा ही होता है. I think this is for $45 each, right? Am I right?
मेरे लिए परफेक्ट है.
That's nice. Should we get this one or the brown one?
Brown one, I don't like it.
Such cute shoes. Somebody take me out of this section, man. Somebody just take me out of here. These are just two cuties. Hey guys, where are you? We need bins. We need bins. These bins are expensive. These bins are so expensive, Amo. $80 almost. So expensive. That's like 16,000 rupees in Pakistan. How about these? Huh? These are small bins and cheap. Yeah, this will do for now, I think, I guess. And we should get the gray one because our home is more like gray.
No, light pink.
Okay, you can get the pink one. It's okay. If you like this, you can get this, okay? Because we thought those bins were too small, so we will find
Section, where are you going?
some other bin. We are not going to the toy section. We're just going to get some trolley.
Yeah.
Let's go find a trolley. Let's go. What?
I said to myself, keep your control.
Keep your hands in control and do not touch
Because
anything.
I do
Yes.
like this और pretty good.
चीजें गिरती रहती हैं ना ना
इसलिए
वो कोई कूल चीज नहीं होती है वो अब देखते रहोगे ना तो हमें याद आ जाएगा हमें क्या क्या लेना है we'll just remember what else do we need
हमने किड्स सेक्शन से बाहर जाना है उस तरफ
ये वाली साइकिल लेनी है हमने
यूनिकॉर्न वाली जो पेडल है
ओके माय
उसके
लव
पास बास्केट भी है
इंशाल्लाह we'll get it okay
तब हमारे पास ज्यादा मनी हो जाए Cats in the back.
hey cats let's go we're getting late I don't think that's the checkout let's go self checkout
Buy one car for Hashim.
You can buy a car for Hashim and we will be going back, but right now we won't be going back anytime soon. Okay?
I'm just looking which car
It reminds you of
buy.
Hashim.
I'm just deciding which car should I buy for him.
Look at this trolley. I think maybe like you put the key in and then it gets unlocked.
No,
No?
Mom.
No.
No, it doesn't work like How does it work then?
ये वाली अनलॉक है लेकिन इनमें मैं बैठ नहीं सकती
Unlock नहीं है. How do we unlock these?
सारे लोग हैं कहीं और से देखो
Oh, finally we got the trolley. We asked one of the staff members to help us with the trolley, and I don't know how, but other people had keys to open the trolleys, which we didn't have. And we'll find out later how it works. So we are in the cereal section, and let's get ourselves some fresh stuff. Get the blueberry muffins.
Okay. And
Okay.
then the apple cinnamon muffins, double chocolate muffins. I think apple cinnamon is.
Wait, this one. Wanna try those? Don't get. इनकी expiry होती है ना?
हाँ,
So-
एक्सपायरी वाले लेते हैं, देखते हैं।
हाँ, तो फिर you don't get both of them. They will expire. We are a small
दो
family.
पे-
They were selling 2 for $8, so we got 2 of them. 2 of them because it's on deal. Okay, guys, let's go get some bread. Bread जो अमल भी खा ले easily, so we need something which is not too much like, low carb types. So many bread options. That's too white. Huh?
You are eating this bread.
Whole wheat?
Whole high fiber whole wheat.
I think this is nice.
White
White वाली. Multigrain लेनी है अमल has a popular seeds. Those are nice seeds. They are not breads. Why do they have such big breads only? We are a small family and we want 2 different kinds of breads. What's the expiry for the bread, Taya? Taya, what's the expiry for the bread? 20.
और पास्ता
Yeah, like
कितना होता है
This is pasta.
This is pasta.
All of these. That one. That one.
I want pasta
Very
I think these will be nice. I think these olives will be nice. What do you think?
ग्लास वाला आपने रख देना
Okay, yeah, it will break.
आपका नेल रख गया पापा
Sorry.
या
Sorry. Let's go next.
ये लिए
Yeah, but we're not getting Nutella. We're getting this one. ठीक है? The Coles one, and it's like almost half the price than this thingy, this boycott thingy. Now you need the most important thing, which is milk. And Australian milk is like famous for being nice and fresh. So let's get one of these.
प्रेमा वाला मिल्क प्रेमा वाला मिल्क
Now this is fresh milk, full cream milk, and it's very very good. It's Australian. Let's get this one.
वही है पर वो छोटी
Yogurt. We need some nice yogurt. Flavored yogurt for Amar. This is a nice kids variety yogurt. इसके अंदर, you know, they have all three flavors: banana, strawberry. This is flavored yogurt, and it is from Coles. It's nice. If your kid is a picky eater like mine, and you don't want this, and you have a nice lunch box, this is Smiggles का होता है. I have the Nuri lunch box. It's really good, leak proof. So I'm thinking I can get this one instead because she only wants the strawberry one. We want the chicken nuggets and chicken poppers, but not sure about the halal haram thingy. That's a bit tricky. A butter. Oh look, I found the same butter we use in Pakistan. Olive groove. अरे वाह. ठीक है. जी क्या चाहिए? गार्बेज बैग. यस. आपको डिफरेंट टाइप्स के ट्रैश के लिए डिफरेंट गार्बेज बैग्स चाहिए. वी नीड दिस वन बिकॉज you know, जो भी आपका plant based food type होगा वो it will go in these green garbage bags. So we need this and recycled kitchen tidy bags. ऐसे से पता लगेगा मुझे नहीं. अभी मुझे भी इसका भी पता है. ये रख लेते हैं. ये ना है ना ये फ्रेश रोटियां मिलेंगी आपको बिल्कुल रोटी के जैसी होती है. ये मामा को उनकी छोड़ के जाना है.
ये है वाइट और वो होल व्हीट भी है.
कौन सी पापा ट्रॉली का
कहाँ लिखा है होल
अच्छा सारी वाइट ही है आज.
वाइट ही है.
वो ये लगा
तो बस ये 2 रोटियों का पैक रखो. Go and find the Indian section for atta, but we can't find it. पूछ लेते ना किसी स्टाफ मेंबर से.
क्यों अगर ज्यादा है नहीं
ठीक है आटा मिल गया.
ये पाउडर है
Yes. Given you, tell us.
I don't know.
Tell me, otherwise no choice. Come on.
What is the challenge?
The challenge.
Challenge.
Okay.
3, 2,
Let's see who will get to the car.
1, go.